Hello, and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, thanks, it means a lot. Okay, today we're going to diagnose a blower motor issue. Basically, if you come out to your car and you turn the switch on for the fan to blow air through the vents, it doesn't come on, or it only works on one speed. Now, this applies to almost all older cars and some newer cars. Your newer cars, probably 2016 and up, may be controlled by the computer through like a CAN bus system, but this will apply to like probably all vehicles, I'd say up to 2010, maybe a little later. So basically you get in, you start your car, it's running, and you turn on your blower motor speed. And you get nothing. 2, you get nothing. 3, you get nothing. And let's say on high, you get something, or you get nothing at all. So if you get nothing at all, the first thing you want to check are your fuses. Make sure your fuses are good, and then you come back again, and you're going to check again. And if you get a speed like this one on high, then you know your blower motor is working. And if the blower motor doesn't turn on, then you go down there and you got to start diagnosing the blower motor. But if you get some type of speed up here, usually the problem is in the blower motor resistor. And it's a little device that looks like that. And all it is a big block of resistors. So the reason why the fan works only on one setting is because the battery wants to deliver 12 volts. It wants to deliver its full power. So that was the high setting, it works, the blower motor turns on. This is designed to dumb down that power to 10 volts, 8 volts, and probably 4 or 5 volts. And that lowers the speed of the fan. That's how you have a variable fan. It's usually controlled through one of these. And that's why I said on older cars it's like this. Newer cars it's done through relays and computers now. But if you have one fan speed, usually the blower motor resistor is the problem. And they're located generally behind the glove box or up underneath the glove box. If you see that one right there, I'll zoom in. That one happens to be there, so it's tucked kind of behind the glove box to the left, almost behind the radio area. Let's see if I can get it through here. Got the radio out for some work. Yeah, so you can see it right there. You have to get in there. It was held in with 2 screws. Every car is going to be different. But generally, that's the problem, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it out, and then we'll compare the two and see how they look. All right, we pulled it out, and you can see they're identical. The part on the left is the original 30-year-old part. The one on the right is a brand new part made in the good US of A. And if you can see on this one, there's definite corrosion built up on there. I'm trying to get it in focus, sorry. You see that corrosion on there? You can see those are the windings basically surrounded in ceramic, and this is in the flow of the air. So while the air is blowing on it, it's cooling it off because these things will get red hot. You can see it crack the ceramic, and you can see the resistors in there, or the windings, whatever you're using. And if you look at the new one, this one actually has the foam still on it. The foam disintegrated on this because it's, like I said, it's 30 years old. If you look at this one, the ceramic is totally encased on it. So you can't see the resistors in there, and there's no corrosion or anything. So we'll get this one plugged in, and we'll see if we get all the fan speeds back. Alright, we got the new blower motor resistor installed back there and plugged up. Remember, we only had high. It failed in the high position. Usually they do. And there's position 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I just got to clean out that fan. That's why it sounds like that. Some leaves got in there. The car was sitting under a tree for a while. But yeah, so that's it. A real simple fix. Costs under 20 bucks. So if you come out to your car and it's a slightly older vehicle and you don't have all your blower motor function speeds, just go behind your glove box, usually on the passenger side, down in the footwell, and start looking for the blower motor resistor. It'll be a little block like that. Find that, pull it out, and see if it's burnt up. If it is, replace it, and you'll get all your speeds back. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.